Install the forks. Unlock the positioning lock on the fork. Install it on the door frame. Lock the positioning lock.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Turn on the key switch. Push the handle to the forward gear.
No I don't take shit.
Press the accelerator pedal. The machine moves forward. Pull the handles to the backward gear. Press the accelerator pedal. The machine moves backward. Press the fork handle. The forks go up.
Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to
lift the fork handle. The fork's lower down.
From the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love.
Lift the fork tilt angle handle. The forks tilt forward.
I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna
press the fork tilt angle handle. The forks tilt backward.
The consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million miles.
Turn the key switch on to the light gear. Turn on the lights.
Rub it on and watch it go. Make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible.
When parking the forklift, pull down the handbrake handle. Charging the forklift. First, connect the charger to the forklift's charging cord. Then connect the charger to the power supply. Disconnect the charger after fully charging.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got